The Jowai Circle of the Khasi Students' Union today removed a signboard installed by the National Highways Authority of India at Sumerlat bypass in Jowai after the Shnong name Khliehriat was wrongly spelled as Khliehriat. According to the KSU, this is not the first time such an error has occurred. The union recalled that similar spelling mistakes had happened earlier, including in Khliehriat itself, where a bank had allegedly written the village name incorrectly. The organization stated that repeated errors of this nature raise concerns over attempts to distort the original names of villages in Rilom Khasi and Jaintia. Following complaints from members of the public, the Ksu Jowai Circle, led by its president Iwanmi Pawa, along with other members, visited the site and ensured the immediate removal of the incorrect signboard. The union has demanded that the NHAI install a new signboard with the correct spelling of Khliehriat within 1 month. It also urged upon the authority to rectify the mistake across all signboards, official records, and digital platforms, stating that such errors affect the dignity and identity of the Shnong. The KSU further expressed displeasure over the response of certain NHAI officials who reportedly stated that they were only present to collect toll tax and were unaware of the spelling issue. The union termed the reply irresponsible and alleged that the mistake appeared deliberate. Meanwhile, the KSU has urged upon the Shnong of Khliehriat to file an FIR against the NHAI. It has also cautioned shops, offices, and other establishments to ensure correct spelling of the village name, warning that action would be taken against those who fail to comply.
Biang rồi, biang.